Hi friends, welcome back to this tutorial. I'm going to explain how to configure RS485 serials ports and how to fetch data. And fetch instructions is used for data fetching through coding registers. So let's start the video. First of all, need to configure some settings that you have to match both sides. So, there are some settings like go to RS485 serial ports and click communication protocol types, and here select Modbus RTU communications. Simply click yes. After that you can see some settings, parity bit, stop bit, baud rate, and here you have to match both sides these three settings, and after that no setting required from others. Simply click yes, okay, and apply, and simply click. After that, simply use ATRPW the instructions. The more details, simply click F1 and wait for the new window. I have to explain how this instructions will work. So simply click the first instructions. Here you can see like first yes when is slave station numbers, and second is function code, and third is modbus address. Yes for access finds, and start device storing that device, and store device read data. So let's run the first in the slave address. So simply I'm going to click yes. Second you can see function code. Function codes means below side you can see function code. I'm going to explain. Just I'm going to directly use I have S3 S3 means holding data registers, and next is Modbus addresses. Modbus addresses like how many, like your Modbus is starting addresses. So simply I'm going to click H0 means our the first starting is H0, and fourth is the how many numbers you want to read, like 30. So simply click 30, and This is our the destination like store data etc. So I'm going to enter and return. So this will take return to 30 plus 30 means 340, and this is the execution status. So I'm going to click here enter. The command and the define. So and below side you have to mention only one cycles you have put as one charge. So here every 2 milliseconds set once and below side like when your instruction executed SM F09 instruction executions wait. After that you can set and one directly. Basic this is the our holding registers reading instructions through RS485 protocols. So simply click compiles and you can see that there is no other fancy instruction. It's simply you can use to fetch data from your RS485 devices. Thank you guys.